What's going on, guys? You know what this is, right? This is a 2.4 liter EcoTEC engine, and I'm changing the water pump. Got this manifold, the exhaust manifold has been pulled out. There's the water pump there. The thermostat is hanging out in that housing right there. I'm gonna give you a little hint. Before you start popping stuff out, loosen this little plug right there. It's gonna drain coolant out, and by doing that you're gonna avoid getting coolant inside of the timing area. So just a quick little tip for you. It's a 13mm plug right there. I pulled the manifold up through the top. I had enough clearance once I removed some of the coils. Let's see. There we go. I'm just gonna hang out, let it drain a little bit. But yeah, the manifold, it came out of the top. It's held on by 13mm nuts. There's a bracket down here at the bottom. It's really not that difficult.